Hello my friends, it's Big O popping in here to check on y'all people and to do a little review. This is the Dollar General, not the Dollar General, but the Dollar Tree foaming tire shine. It's called Driver's Choice foaming tire shine. It says brilliant, durable wet look shine. Well, is it any good? Is the $1 Dollar Tree store foaming tire shine any good? The Driver's Choice. See what on the back what it says. Imported by something USA, Greenbrier International. So it's imported into the USA. The Greenbrier International is a Dollar Tree. So let's go over here and look at the tires I sprayed yesterday, and we'll see if it's any good. I sprayed these right here on my Murky Mountaineer with Black Magic. Of course, it looks good. I sprayed these tires, and it's, if anything, it made them look worse. They're brand new tires, but see how it left it splotchy? So the answer to the question, no, this tire shine is not any good. If anything, it made them look splotchy looking. So I will rinse that off and put Black Magic on the tires. You can see for yourself, it is not any good, my friends. Just looks like about the same as it did before I sprayed it. Before I sprayed them, I sprayed all four. It didn't make a difference. Looks the same basically, no difference. So the question is, is the Dollar Tree Driver's Choice is the name of it, foaming tire shine any good? The answer is no. Do not buy it. It's not any good. You're just throwing a dollar bill away. It costs $1, and it's no good. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day. It's warm here. If I had to guess, about 72, 73 degrees. I hope you've got nice weather in your neck of the woods. It's been overcast about 90% of the day. We got a little sun popping out. It's getting late. It's getting late in the evening. It's probably about 5:40 p.m. 5:35, 5:40. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Do not waste your dollar on this Driver's Choice foaming tire shine from Dollar Tree. Spend that dollar on something else. Share my videos. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Got a nice little breeze blowing. Feels good.